This is a short video about adding an additional hinge to the DuraPost gate when using urban boards for a maximum recommended 900mm width gate build. Standard installation for the DuraPost gate requires placement of 2 hinges. However, due to the weight of urban boards, 2 hinges may not secure the gate, leading to possible misalignment with the gate post. So DuraPost have provided a mechanism by which a third hinge can be installed for extra strength. A small infill bracket has been designed specifically for this purpose. The bracket simply fits into the hinge side gate frame as shown. The additional hinge can now be secured to the gate frame through the bracket. This will provide extra security to make sure the gate will now remain aligned.